When we are multiplying numbers, we can use either the box method or the distributive property. For today, I'm going to use the box method. It doesn't matter if you put the first parenthesis on the top or along the side as long as you keep it together. So I'm going to put this parenthesis here, and I will put this parenthesis here. Then I'm going to multiply my coefficients. I'm going to add the exponents. So those exponents are those little ones. So that's going to give me 40x squared. I get the squared from doing 1 plus 1. Negative 24x, 5x, and negative 3. I will then add along the diagonal here. So I will add 5 and negative 24 to get negative 19x. So my answer is 40x squared minus 19x minus 3. When we have a problem written with the squared, it just means that I'm writing out those parentheses twice, and then I go through and I solve it by multiplying the exact same way. So 6x minus 2, 6x minus 2, and I get 36x squared, negative 12x, negative 12x, and positive 4. I will add the numbers that are on the diagonal, and that will give me negative 24x, and so my answer is 36x squared minus 24x plus 4.